Hello, guys. So, here is my sheet that I wanted to share with you guys. So, this is nothing but I'm just basically tracking the trades. It is said that you should be disciplined, you should have a proper risk management, proper entry, and proper stop loss. And it it is better if you track your trades uh, for at least 20 trades. Okay, but here my goal is 50. Earlier I used to track, but I never made the sheet and all. I used to track it on the PDFs. Uh, but this time I decided, let's make a sheet. I made the sheet using some AIs tools and all that are available, like ChatGPT. So you guys also, I would suggest that you guys should also have a sheet, something like this, wherein you can put your date, you can track your trades with your date. Remember one thing: to be a proper trader, you need to do trades. You should know when to do the trades, when you should go back to back with the trades, when you should stop trading. Yeah, for swing trades, there will be a time wherein you will have to stop trading. You should know precisely when you can enter the market, when you should start trading again. Okay, so those are that is a completely different story, wherein it will depend upon your strategy, how you do the trades. Okay, so for example, here I have kept trade numbers here. uh, so date, monthly, you can make monthly sheets. Stock name, the name of the stocks, quantity, trade price, the amount of money that you are putting in a trade. Okay, what is the risk if you're going with 1 is to 2, 1 is to 1? For in my case, I'm going with 1 is to 1. I can help you and make you understand that, uh, how to set a target, how to make entry, how to put apply the stop loss. Here's the target when you, and then ultimately here's the PNL per trade, whatever you do here, whether or not you should have a system like this, wherein when you if you get if you are profitable, it should say yes, or something along those lines. If you book you should have a remark field in it, so that if you book a profit, you can leave a remark, something like this, something along these lines. If the trade is ongoing, you can put a remark like this, and you should ultimately have something like this: total profit and loss, which will calculate the profit and loss of your current trades and give you the sum out here. Okay, so you should have something like that. I don't mean to say that you should have exactly something like this, but no, you can have your own logic behind that. You can make your sheet like this, but track your trades. It is of utmost importance. That will give you color as to whether or not you're making profit, making loss. If you're making loss, this strategy doesn't suit you, your strategy doesn't suit you, you should stop your trades. If you, after certain trades that you have set, for example 20, or like, it depends upon you, like, how many trades you're doing. You should have a proper risk management. See, here in my case, what I'm doing, I'm willing to lose 300 rupee per trade, not a rupee more than that. And it should be like, I shouldn't be, I should have more win trades than losing trades, something like that. You should have a proper strategy so that you can track it. And you don't want these stop losses. Okay, stop loss is good, because it is preventing you from facing the loss, from losing your money. You should have a proper strategy in order to do that. Okay. Now, you should have a proper system, is what I'm trying to say. If not, if you do not have, you should seek some advice from someone who can give you a proper method of trading. There are certified traders out there in the market that can share their wisdom with you, but they certainly cost some money, some good chunk of money, like it would be in lakhs. It depends upon the fee from person to person. What I'm doing here is I'm doing the trading for like for the past almost 3 to 4 years now, and I have a set of things that I do. I calculate my risk. I see, so I know how much money I would lose per trade. See, the return would be anything, like whether it would go. Sky is the limit. Like you cannot predict the market, right? So either you make good money or you get stopped loss here. So here I got stopped, and sorry, where is it? Yeah, Tata Steel. So here I got stopped, but the other trades are going. I booked profit in LIC Insurance of India. So here I I thought like, okay, now this is the right time. Looking at the resistance and the what we call a resistance and the support, I booked my profit. But then what happened? It went on going up, but that is not something I would regret, because I did not make loss in it. I booked my profit. I jumped out of the trade. But however, you need to give up some time for your trades. You need to have that calculation. It's very simple. You either make your amount. I mean, you either lose your risk amount, or you make more than that. So that is there. You should have a target set, but then again, you need to check your resistances and your supports, and you should have a separate target in your mind as well, minimum target. So I can go on with this whole day, but I just wanted to get this and out, like, okay, you should have some proper trading method. Track your trades. If you're making money, your strategy is working for you. If you are making losses in FNOs and intraday, you should immediately stop. Put end to it if the thing doesn't work for you. You should have a proper method, or else don't jump in the trades. Okay? So have a good day, guys. I hope this was helpful.